BitcoinSoul.org, SEOUL.org, Asian Whale Club for members with over 50 Bitcoin of active investments. What's going to happen to Bitcoin right now? Are the bulls going to win or are the whales going to win? It's a battle zone. No, it's actually an extreme war zone right now. There's chatter all over the web in dark channels where leaders of consortiums are creating pools to push Bitcoin up or to push Bitcoin down. And what they're going to do is they're going to move millions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin up or down. How are they going to do it? Well, they have a lot of Bitcoin already, but what they're doing is they're leveraging. So if you have 100 Bitcoin and you're doing a times 10 leverage, you can times 10 leverage that to buy a bunch more, or just buy it and sell the F out of it and drop it all the way down to $3,200 and then buy more. Or take it up to $5,000, let the media grab a hold of it, and then just sit on your investment, go long, and when the media in Bloomberg and MSNBC talks about Bitcoin again, what ends up happening? It goes up to $8,000. Now you've got 50% return on your money that you went long on options, where you only invested 100 Bitcoin. Now you've got what? How many is that? Can you do the math in your head? So that's the war that's going on right now. What does that mean for you? It means one of two things can happen. Actually, one of four things can happen, but let's simplify that down to just two. If Bitcoin falls, you're going to suffer, and you're holding Bitcoin, you're going to suffer a 20-25% loss. That's pretty substantial. It's a hit. It's not unrecoverable if you play altcoins or if you do margin trading, which is riskier, but it's a hit. If Bitcoin goes up, it's only going to go up about 15%. That's not a big deal. It's not really a good risk reward ratio, is it? Kind of sucks, actually. In fact, let's say it hits $5,000. You can just buy it then. It'll hit $5,000, $5,001, and then it'll go up to $8,000. You can just buy it then. You don't have to absorb the risk right now when there's a war. So you can stay out of the war, and then you can be an opportunist and jump into the market right after the war is over and say, hey, I was always on the side of France, right? So you can do that. But even still, that's only about a 20-30% gain. How do you multiply that gain? You look for coins that are just going stellar right now. You look for coins right now that even when Bitcoin had its massive drop, did not puncture the support line. If the support line held, if the support line created a bounce, or maybe there was a 5-minute candle, just an upside down 5-minute wick that punctured it down and then just went bloop, right back up, that's buoyancy. That's astral, right? Look for those coins. We've already shared those coins within our private group in the Asian Whale Club. We're already holding on to them. We've already bought in. We've accumulated over the last couple days. We have a stake in them. You're welcome to join us if you join the Asian Whale Club. It's link number 3 at BitcoinSoul, SEOUL.org. If not, leave a comment in the Twitter feed. You guys find these coins on your own. There's got to be more than 2. We only found 2 really good ones that we like and that we're invested in and we're not selling. Why? Because when Bitcoin goes up 20%, these boys will go up 300%. That's not a bad return on investment. That's actually a really smart hedging strategy for both down case and up case. And that's what we've done. You guys are welcome to discuss it on your own. Find